Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Princess Desk telephone, and this is Tim's equipment from Montana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, these units are highly collectible and they're very sought after. People really like this type of telephone and they want to have them repaired, and this one has a great color. Now, we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this telephone. Tim wants to go to the LED conversion, so we will be doing a conversion on this telephone to light the keypad with LED lights instead of a regular light bulb. So we'll take care of that issue. There also is a problem with the hook switch. The spring needs to be readjusted and the hook switch seems a little loose. And so what we want to do is we want to tighten it up, and we also want to tighten up the spring. So we'll go ahead and take care of any of those issues. We also want to go through the handset cord. We want to make sure that the handset cord troubleshoots good and usable. We also want to go through the transmit and the receive. We want to go through the network. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We also want to go through the keypad. We want to make sure that all the connections are tight and that they're clean and everything is dialing out properly. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair and conversion for the LED light in the keypad, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now what we want to do is go ahead and remove the receiver so that we can show you the light. I'm going to turn the main light off. The video may pick up the keypad, it may not. We'll see how it turns out, but I'll turn the light off. Now when we hang the telephone up, you'll see the light go out. We pick it up, the light comes on, turn it off. When we hang up, back on, we'll turn it off, and back on. We're going to switch the switch to the left. The light will stay on all the time. So when we hang up now, the light still is lit. We're going to move our switch back over to the option of when you hang up, the light goes off. And we'll just use the telephone in that mode for right now. Now that we know that the bell is ringing on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive, and our keypad light is on. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, August 26th. The current time, 7:54 p.m. And the temperature, 86 degrees.
We're going to go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Tim and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.